What's going on, guys? My name is Psutka, and today we're talking about the best addition to the RØDE Video Mic Pro. Okay, let's start off by saying that if you bought the RØDE Video Mic Pro instead of the RØDE Video Mic Pro Plus, you're probably kicking yourself, just like I was. And that's because the RØDE Video Mic Pro Plus doesn't take external batteries. You plug it into the camera, turn it on, and you're good to go. Now, if you're like me and you got the RØDE Video Mic Pro, this is game-changing. This is a 9-volt 800 mAh lithium-ion battery that is rechargeable. You get 3 of these. You get a little charging station, 1, 2, 3 batteries, and a charge cable, and it goes around $33 when I bought it online from Amazon. There's a bunch of different options for a bunch of different companies on Amazon. They're basically doing the exact same thing. Just look for 800 mAh or somewhere around there. That's going to be, I believe, the highest end, the most battery you can get for your buck. I'll link in the description where you can find these, but basically just type in rechargeable 9 volts. So when I got my batteries, I charged them up, I popped one in the RØDE Video Mic, and I have shot 25, 26 YouTube videos, and the majority of my YouTube videos aren't like this. They're like 4-hour shoots, and I leave the mic on the whole time. So let's say even 20 videos at 4 hours, that's 80 hours that one battery has gone without being recharged and still going. It's not dead yet, I'm using it right now. That's ridiculous. Put one in your microphone, one as backup, and use the third for something around the house. Oh, and in no way is this sponsored. I just think this is a great solution to a problem that I was having. I was buying fresh batteries, I was running through them, and it was getting way too expensive. Alright guys, that's it for me. It's short, it's quick, it's a solution to a problem I was having, and I hope it helps you. If you enjoyed this video, please check out some of my other videos. A lot of fun, adventure, exploring, good topics. Go down there, hit the like button, be something positive you did today. I'd greatly appreciate it. Subscribe, turn those bells on so you know the second I post another video, and I will see you guys next time.